Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase the space between the items in Windows 11 Explorer. So firstly, File and open File Explorer. If you not see here, so type File Explorer, open it. Now guys, here click on View, and in the last you will see option Compact View. So uncheck this box compact view to increase space between items. Now as we can see more space. If you select compact view, so it will decrease the space, and uncheck this setting to increase space. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.